Okay, hi folks. So this is an introduction on how we're going to start off learning the piano. To begin with, we're going to keep away from all this stuff, the black dots, the notation, the theory, what does all this mean, all the time sequences. I think it confuses beginners. I've had a great success not teaching this to begin with. We can go on to it later. We're going to start with melody. Melody is the tune of a song. It's what you'd whistle, what you'd hum, what you might sing. And most people can pick out the melody of a song they know. And that's another key to this method of teaching, learning songs that you know. If we take the melody of something that everybody knows, EastEnders, in there are notes of different lengths, different notes, but you don't need to know any of the notation about that because of course you already know the song. Well, how do you pick out a melody? The keyboard looks very complicated with lots of white notes and black notes, but in actual fact there are only 12 notes. And the melody is going to be somewhere in there, in that EastEnders we started here. It's all just in this bit here. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you to do first. Pick out the melody of your songs. Get your fingers working. One finger to begin with. Then we've got to get this hand working as well to play the low notes, the notes down the bottom of the piano. And then you can start putting both of them together. It's not easy because as a beginner you start trying to press each note together when really we're meant to play them at different times. Let's look at another song, Georgia, another melody. Something you probably know no matter how old you are, even if you're very young, you'd have heard your mum or dad or your gran playing it. Obviously that sounds pretty plain on the piano, but then, as we get more and more advanced, what can happen is when you're playing the one notes here, your other hand, this hand, can be playing other things. Put the two together. Okay, so that's what we're going to be looking at the first few lessons. We're only going to be using songs that you know, your favourite songs, because of course you know the melody, so you don't have to know the notes. We're going to gradually marry up the melody with the notes down the bottom. That's it.